Colleagues of a former Aurora dentist accused of killing and poisoning his wife, Angela Craig, testified today about putting together pieces of the case and rushing to the hospital to try and help.
But they claim it was too late. James Craig is on trial for murder, in addition to a handful of solicitation charges that were added on while he was in jail.
Denver7's Colette Bordelon has been following this case since day one and breaks down what we learned in court today.
2 years ago, I went to what was Summerbrook Dental Group and met with Danielle Travis. That was the day
it just doesn't feel right.
Aurora police arrested James Craig. She knew him as her dentist.
You guys bonded over the fact that you're both parents. My kids have felt comfortable being here, and so that's always been really important to us. He's always seemed like a really nice guy.
She was shocked to learn he was suspected of murdering his wife, Angela, by poisoning her.
My first thought was really first of his kids and then second of his employees.
She sends Dr. Craig.
Fast forward, and on day 2 of Craig's trial, the office manager from that practice took the witness stand. Someone who claims to have seen a personal package for Craig delivered to the office, one he allegedly told her not to open, and one she says was labeled as cyanide. The delivery came after she saw Craig working on a computer in an exam room, not his office, after hours.
The defense during their cross-examination was talking about that computer in the exam room from which some problematic searches were allegedly made, and suggesting that, hey, perhaps other staff had access to this computer.
Eric Faddis is a former felony prosecutor who's been following this case.
It's really gripped the state of Colorado.
In the days leading up to her death, Angela tried to figure out why she was sick. Her cause of death was determined to be lethal doses of cyanide and an ingredient commonly found in eye drops.
I think they're going to pinpoint exactly the chemicals and toxins in Angela Craig's body that led to her death, and then we're going to get into more of how that happened.
Faddis says the defense doesn't have too many options in this case.
It sounds like they are going to suggest or insinuate that possibly Angela Craig committed suicide.
Testimony on the stand Tuesday coming from the wife of Craig's former dentistry partner who confronted Craig about the package. Craig claimed it was a ring delivered for Angela, which is when they told him they knew it was cyanide. Craig tells them he bought it for Angie, saying she was suicidal, something the witness denies was true.
Prosecution is sort of trying to preemptively undercut what they believe the defense will be, that Angela Craig was suicidal.
The case is far from over, and we'll keep covering it for you. In Arapahoe County, Colette Bordelon, Denver7.